Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the device settings in the Bus Times application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the Layout and Appearance section, look for the Use Device Settings button. And if you turn this on by clicking on the white circle next to it, the original settings will be back. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.